Have a heart attack with that high cholesterol.
Really, like her dad.
What's the matter? Sleeping? You think she's sleeping?
No, I'm not gonna get you $76.
Olivia.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
You need to settle down, okay, babe?
Yeah, whoa.
Is that how a little girl's supposed to sit?
No.
Don't keep cursing that.
Oh. No. No.
Here she goes again.
Boy, boy. Me too. Here I come.
No, Olivia. That's
No.
enough. Come here. Come sit down, calm down. Let me see about this skirt. You look funny.
Ah.
Are those pants hooked on to Kirsten's top? Because they look like they're hanging down around her knees.
No, it's hooked on, yeah. You thought she could just pull her pants up.
Yeah. Kirsten, pull your pants up.
She can't.
Pull them up. There you go. Now, how's that? Where's your tummy?
Tell
Where's your tummy?
him it's all one, Dad.
Oh, look at that little stand.
Where's your tummy? I see your leg. I don't see your tummy.
You just don't see it because you don't want it.
Yeah, that's the way I feel about mine. I don't see it because I don't want to. I want to quit eating, so I just ignore that stomach.
I'll do it.
Battery is too low.
Who's that? Is that Pooh Bear?
I'm a Pooh Bear, so I don't care. And I go
Oh, Kendra, did I tell you I saw WR broken down on the side of the road the other day?
No, it didn't.
Yeah.
How you know it's him?
Do me.
And why didn't you stop and help him?
Because he already had the tow truck there.
Oh.
What are you looking at? What
I didn't see where I could do him any good.
Oh, I was thinking about my cousin David today.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.